What does a sheep say?
Ba.
Ba. What does a cow say?
Moo.
Good job. Moo.
Moo.
What does a What does a horse say?
Nah.
Good job. Neigh.
Nah.
Neigh.
Nah.
What is that? What's that? Right here. What is that? What is that?
Nah.
No. Can you say puppy?
Pup.
Pup. It's a pup. What does a pup say?
Pup.
Pup. It says wolf. Yeah.
What's an elephant say?
You had to cough?
Moo.
Do it again. What does an elephant say?
Boo.
Yeah. How about a gorilla?
No.
Or a monkey?
No.
Yeah. Good job. Nora, where's your nose?
No.
Nose.
No.
Nose, that's right. Where's your eyes? Mama's eyes. Eyes. Where's your hair? Oh, you want Daddy's eyes?
Oh.
Yes. Oh, thank you. Oh, where's your hair? Yeah. Mama's hair? Yeah. Daddy's hair? Where's your mouth? That's right. Mouth. Where are your toesies? Where are your toes? Yeah. Oh, and your other toes. That's right. Where's your belly? Belly. Daddy's belly.
We'll skip that one. Can you say Emma?
Emma.
Good job. How about Elmo?
Emma.
Good job. Good job. Where's your... Yeah, my scarf. You like it? Where's your ears?
No.
Where are your ears? Where are your ears? You done with that game? Good job.
Can you say goodbye? You say bye-bye?